center line, and then I don't calculate anything. It will be easier for you. Then I just trace original sloper. Just reason why I do it this, you can see difference between final line and original. Where is original? And here is will be original bicep. I just mark original bicep. And then I mark guideline above 1/2 inch of the original bicep. Is here will be 1/2 inch up, 1/2 inch up for all sizes. Clear? Okay. Just take my favorite push pin. And I put right now my push pin here at the center line and shift till this corner touch my guideline. And I mark this corner and it will be my sleeve cap. Opposite. Shift till this corner touch my line here and trace and mark this corner. It's clear? Then when I remove pin and remove sleeve, then you can see what happened. I mark here. It will be 10 and 1/2 inch. Then it will be my sleeve here. New bicep will be here. And all bicep here, and you can see this corner. It's clear, guys? Grain line will be here. Then I have to check is on a sleeve. Then my front armhole 9 1/4, back armhole 9 3/4 inch. 9 1/4 is will be here. And I measure 9 1/4, it will be here. I put my mark, okay? Then 9 3/4, it will be here. Nine and 3/4. It will be here. Okay, I have 1/8, even a little less. Perfect. Then in the middle, it will be my notch. And is a little between 1/16 and 1/8, something like this, which is fine. What happened, it can be quarter, for example. You can take 1/16 here, 1/16 here, it will be 1/8 here. Sometimes it can be overlapping. And you can see this overlapped part. For example, it's overlapped like 1/8 or quarter. Divide this in a half and add here to underarm seam. It's clear, guys? Okay. Then I have to align my notches with armhole. I repeat again, doesn't matter. You can put notches here and put the same notches. It will be the same placement on the armhole. Or opposite, from armhole, put on a sleeve. It's your choice, what easier for you. Now, we have to mark length of the sleeve. And then, for all sizes, it will be 22.25. And then, plus our cuff will be shorter than our tailor blouse, 2.25. And then, total length will be 24.5 when we finish everything. Then I have to mark here from top to this straight line, 22.25. And I mark here 22.25. It will be something like this. It will be my sleeve length, and I mark here sleeve length 22.25. It's for all sizes, okay? And it will be sleeve, and we have cut sleeve self 2 pieces. Okay, right now I have to mark this line, and my sleeve should be 3/8 shorter than original. Then what I told you, keep here 10.5. Then just make sure it will be 5.25 here, and it can be small adjustment. 5.25. It will be here. Then my final line for this style will be here. I make darker line. It will be my line after adjustments. Okay, then I mark for you this line. I mark here 10. It will be 10.5 for all sizes. And then, as usually, midpoint here. And mark down 1/4 inch. Make like in this side because placket will be here. And then it will be this part, and it will be something like this. Okay, it will be bottom line. Mark from this line. It's this 1/4 inch. It will be for all sizes here. And then from bottom line 5 inches. Bottom line and 1 inch wide. It's clear, guys? From here to here, 5 inches. 5 inches. It will be our placket. Then it will be top stitch here. And cut line will be three-eighths here, 1/4 here, exactly like for end tailor. And mark 1/2 inch down. It will be something like this. And we have to cut. It will be 1/4, and here will be 3/8. And cut line here. Then it will be this part like this. It's clear?
Mm-hmm.
Mark 3/4 of an inch here. It will be beginning of my plate. And I measure from this placement of the placket, because it will be open. It will be up to here. 7 7/8. 7 7/8. And from here to here, 3 1/4 plus 3 1/4. Its total, it will be 11 1/8. Yes? Minus 9 1/2. 11 1/8 minus 9 1/2. Calculate inch and 5/8. Then I mark here inch and 5/8, and it will be my plate. Here will be 3/4 of an inch, this space, and plate if you follow my measurement, then it will be exactly like I tell you.
Perfect.
Now,
Can you repeat? Is the measurement from here to this line, right? Or this one?
to this line. This line in the middle.
No, the one that we want to
No,
do
this
measurements.
line in the middle. This line, and then placket we have to create in this way.
No, I know. It's to make these measurements.
Measurement,
yeah.
yes, from here to here, and then from here to here.
This line.
Yes.
Okay.
From end of the placket, top placket, to the end of the under placket. And then we have to fold it.
No, last time I spent like an hour figuring it out myself.
And then you can see I fold my plate. And then it's here my bottom line, not match. Then put ruler and blend it. I use different color because this is important. Okay, blend this line and trace, open, and retrace this line. It will be something like this and like this. When you fold plates, then smooth line, it's matched to your cuff. Guys, any questions to me? I think it's no problem with this portion and this portion.